Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn How, and in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can remove a photo background in just one click using Picsart Pro. So first you need to select an image, and then you have to click on this feature, remove background, which is a premium feature. So we have got the Picsart Pro, so we can use that feature as well. And let me tell you more about the premium feature. Like if I put a text here, I can use all the premium features. Like I can highlight the text, I can just select the font, the premium fonts as well. So let me tell you that I can save this as well. So that's all. If you want the premium version of Picsart, just subscribe to my channel and drop down a comment done, and give me a message on Instagram with a screenshot of the subscription. I will provide you the Picsart, the premium version of the Picsart. I cannot provide anything just because of community guidelines, so just give me a message over to the Instagram and I will provide you the link of the software. And if you guys want to learn more about Picsart, video editing and YouTube course, you can stay connected with my channel and you will get all these tutorials.